Welcome to our paper airplane challenge, everybody. Step 1, you're going to gather your materials. Step 2, you're going to fold your airplane. Now, I learned a different way to fold my airplane. If you already know a way how, go ahead and skip this part and head on to step 3. But if you don't know how to fold an airplane or want to learn a new way, go ahead and stick around and learn how to build a super sturdy paper airplane. Step 3, you're going to tape on your weights or cargo. Step 4, you're going to decorate your plane. Appreciate my meme, please. Step 5, launch your plane. How far did it go? How much did it carry? Make sure to answer in the comments below and challenge a friend.